Hello everyone, thank you for viewing and subscribing to Frankie's Entertainment. Today on the menu we have for you 5 simple yet hard things to start doing for yourself in the year 2022. 1. Start being more mindful of your top priorities. The quality of your life 1 year from today will greatly depend on how well you respect your top priorities each and every day. At times, you must say no to good things to be able to say yes to important things. You simply can't do it all, so be extra mindful and choose wisely today. 2. Start giving yourself more grace. You are not the same person you were a year ago. You've grown. Give yourself grace and credit for hard-won lessons learned and how far you've come. It hasn't always been easy, but your track record for getting through hard days is 100% so far. 3. Start tuning into life's little miracles. Life is a series of simple, tiny miracles. Note them today, note again and again how blessed you are. The evidence is all around you right now, and it's priceless and well worth gathering into your awareness. Honestly, life is just too short to waste on senseless negativity. So whatever you do, don't get stuck on the one little thing that ruins your day. Breathe and be